I'm Dr. Tolutaiwo. Well, the experience tonight, it was a thrilling one. Invited by my friend Dr. Dayo Shubamo, and I got some insight on medical tourism. I realized that it's about collaboration between different people, doctors, countries, and all that. So, for instance, it's not just about taking patients from Nigeria to other countries, but with what we have here, they can bring professionals here to assist. And then where we have some deficits in infrastructure, in technology, patients can be taken over there. Apart from that, I realized that Turkey is well advanced in terms of healthcare, stem cell technology, all kinds of surgeries, and so many different things that we are yet to develop well in this part of the world. So it's a whole new experience. And then I also realized that they compete with the very best in the world when you talk about the UK, the US, and other countries. And then their prices, of course, are much more affordable for the quality of what they offer. So it's been an eye-opening experience for me, and I think it's something that we should look into more. And then this can also inspire us in Nigeria to develop our own healthcare system to such high standards. So it's a win-win thing for everybody.
My name is Dr. Kayode Solomon. I'm the Medical Director of Emergency Rescue. Now, I've had a good experience in Turkey. I've been there twice, 2016, 2017, at the behest of the organizers of this program. So we were able to visit different hospitals, and we're able to experience what Turkey has to offer in Ankara and in Istanbul. They have fantastic hospitals. They have fantastic professors, doctors. They are consistently doing researches. One of the doctors I met at Anadolu is one of the top 5 researchers in stem cell medicine, and he showed us the outcome of his products, including things like cerebral palsy and cell replacements for certain health conditions, which would include sickle cell in our own environment, thalassemia and the like. So my opinion is the Turkish government has invested a lot in healthcare, and they are now one of the top leading healthcare providers in the world. And their prices are a whole lot cheaper than what you see in America, in Canada, in Europe. And when you compare the quality of service with the price, you will realize that it is actually affordable. And I believe this collaboration with Nigeria is going to help a whole lot for cases that our environment is not yet capable to handle. So I definitely recommend anyone who has a health need to consider Turkey.
My name is Lola Azubike, and I'm the Executive Director of Medical Cherish. Actually, my experience with Turkey has been a fantastic one. Ever since we went on a medical tourism of some of the facilities there, it was very insightful, I must say. The world-class facilities, you know, the same experiences that people look for when they're going to America. You have much more than that in Turkey, but at a fraction of the cost. And so when we experienced that, I was actually opportune to refer a couple of patients, I think about 4 or 5 patients so far, that have gone there for different, you know, surgeries and procedures, and they have had a fantastic experience. When I say fantastic, fantastic experience. So my wish is really for Turkey to be the #1 to-go-to place when you talk about medical tourism, especially from Nigeria. You know, now people have the concept or idea that, you know, for you to get affordable healthcare, it has to be in India. Trust me, I mean, Turkey is nowhere near India in terms of how advanced they've gone and how the facilities and the expertise of doctors that are there. So I'm hoping that, you know, the board can do much more in maybe marketing, advertising the brand, the Turkish concept to doctors here, so that Turkey becomes the #1 to-go-to place.
My name is Abiola Lawal, aka Mr. Boku, the founder of flyboku.com. We're here at the Turkey Medical Tourism Day in conjunction with Turkey Tourism and Turkish Air. So the question is, why medical tourism, and what's the impact of medical tourism to economy? What's medical tourism to travel, wellness? The truth is, travel itself is a way of discovering yourself. It's a wellness. about travel, and so when you think about medical tourism, for me, it's not about being very sick and then looking for a hospital. It's about rejuvenation. It's about experiencing new things, new experiences. And like we always say in my brand, we say Mr. Boku will take you there, and if you're there, Boku will bring you back. So the impact of those travel and experiencing new things, apart from the numbers in terms of the financial impact, is also the moral and wellness impact. So we are very happy to be here. We have done a few things in medical tourism with Turkey. I think it's an amazing destination, and everything you need to identify wellness, specific medical tourism. God forbid a member of the family has a real medical emergency between the West and the South. We think Turkey is well positioned as an affordable, very good standard alternative.